First, open the back cover of the printer. We can see the cartridge holder. Disassemble the ink cartridge. Nozzle facing inward, insert cartridge holder at 45. At the same time we look at the front of the machine, the nozzle is aligned outwards. After making sure the ink cartridge is in the right position, we pull the blue button up to fasten the ink cartridge. Next we go to the screen to edit and click Edit New to create a new document. Click Text and enter the content we want to print, numbers, words, etc. If there are more than 2 lines of content, directly click Text again and enter the content. Click on the second line with your finger and move down to the suitable position. Once the content has been entered, we click Print and check the print settings before we start printing. Confirming that everything is correct, we begin to test printing. Put a piece of paper in front of the nozzle, pay attention to the distance between the nozzle and the paper should within 5 mm. In addition to key printing, we can also send printing commands through the foot switch. The foot switch interface is 3-hole, we plug it into the remaining one on the back of the machine. Then we try to press the switch to test. We can see there is another port on the back of the machine. This is a USB port. We open it and insert the USB flash drive, where the printed logo is stored. Go back to the screen, click Image USB, find the logo and open it. When the logo appears on the screen, it is ready to print. When we need to print other smaller products, we can use the tray. Place the product on the tray and move it to a suitable position. Secure it with a black knob to make it not easy to move. When we need to print at a specific location, click Print Settings. Find the Delay settings. Delay means after the print command is issued, the nozzle moves to a specific times before printing. It is not fixed. The specific value depends on the product. When we need to print the date, we can directly click Date. Feel free to change the content to a suitable size. If we want to print a lifetime, select Terms. Select an expiration period, such as 2 years. Then the time can be changed to 2 years after the current date. When we don't need something, feel free to delete the content on the screen. But when we start printing, we need to be careful to move all the content to the front. When we finished using the printer, we need to turn off the printer and remove the ink cartridge in the shutdown state. The removed cartridge should be covered with a protective lid and stored in a cool place to avoid drying out.